Hey guys, Oscar from Primate here, and in part 2 of the Gymnastic Rings for Beginners series, we're going to go through where to hang gymnastic rings. So you have a few options here. The most obvious one is of course just a outdoor pull-up bar or outdoor chin-up bar. You can find it in a park or in an outdoor gym, maybe you have one close by. The other one is a at-home Doorframe Chin-Up Bar. So you have a few different options for the Doorframe Chin-Up Bar. You have the very traditional one, which is actually screwed and drilled to the door frame. You have the more modern one that you can simply easily attach and remove from the door frame. But for this one you need to make sure that you have a sturdy enough head jab. So that's the top part of the door frame. So you need to make sure that that can actually hold your body weight. Then the third option of the door frame chin-up bars is actually a more modern one. It looks a little bit like the traditional old school one, but without any screws or drilling. And I can also leave links down below so you can have a look at all of these 3 different types of door frame chin-up bars. Now you could obviously of course hang your rings around a sturdy tree branch if it's allowed, because in some parks I know you're not allowed to hang rings on trees. But if you're allowed to and you can find a tree branch that's sturdy enough, you can by all means go on and hang your rings around the tree branch. And you can also hang your gymnastic rings around a staircase if that happens to be the best option available for you. You could also actually hang your gymnastic rings at your door, similar to a TRX, but this way you won't have access to dips or chin-ups, which is in my opinion, a pretty big drawback. So I would recommend that you find a place where you can actually hang underneath the ring, so some sort of a chin-up bar or the other options I mentioned. So, but if that's the only option you have, you can also just hang them around the door, but that would be the least recommended option here. And you might also want to use some mini towels to wrap around the strap, so it's not going to be so hard on the top part of the door frame due to the metal thingy right there. Just put one around like this, and another one as well. And now you can adjust the height of the rings, and also when you pull it up, these ones are going to be kind of blocking them from sliding. If you found this video helpful, then please leave the video a like, it's highly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more bodyweight training tips and at-home fitness tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.